Hello, friends. It's so wonderful to have you here with us again at And Funny. I hope you're ready for another exciting adventure, because today we're going to fix a broken road together. Have you ever seen a road with cracks and bumps where cars have to drive really slowly to avoid getting stuck? Well, that's what we found today. A road that needs a little bit of help. But don't worry, because we have some amazing toy vehicles ready to jump into action. Are you ready to see how we fix it? Let's get started. First, let's take a good look at our road. Do you see those small cracks and uneven parts? They might look tiny to us, but for our toy cars, they can feel like huge potholes. Imagine driving your favorite toy car and suddenly bumping into a hole. Oh no! That's why our first step is to carefully inspect the road. We want to make sure we find every crack and every bump so that nothing is missed. Our toy construction team is very good at this job. They look closely, checking from side to side and marking all the spots that need fixing. It's important to make sure the road is safe for everyone, don't you agree? Now that we've found the broken parts, it's time to start repairing. Here comes our trusty dump truck, loaded with colorful sand and slime, which will be our filling material today. The dump truck drives up next to the cracks and holes, and with a gentle tip, 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 the filling material pours out, covering all the uneven spots. The sand and slime fill in the holes perfectly, making the surface much smoother. You can see the bright colors as the filling spreads out, turning the bumpy road into a fun, colorful path. It's almost like magic. Just a little teamwork, and the road starts to look much better. With the cracks and holes filled, we're ready for the next step. Here comes the road roller. This big, heavy vehicle is built for one special job. It rolls over the road and makes everything flat and smooth. The road roller moves slowly and steadily, pressing down on the sand and slime, making sure every bit is packed tightly into the road. As it goes along, you can see the surface changing from lumpy and bumpy to nice and even. The road roller is very strong, but it works gently to make sure nothing is missed. Roll, 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 the road roller goes, making the road perfect for driving. Once the road roller has finished its job, it's time to see the results. Wow, just look at that smooth road. All the cracks and bumps are gone. The surface is flat and shiny, and it's ready for cars to drive safely. Here come our toy cars, red, blue, yellow, and green, all driving happily along the newly fixed road. No more getting stuck, no more bumping around. Everyone is smiling, having fun, and enjoying the smooth ride. It's amazing what a little teamwork and some helpful vehicles can do. Wasn't that a great job, everyone? We worked together with our toy dump truck and road roller, and now the road is as good as new. When we help each other and use our imagination, we can fix anything. It's always fun to play and learn with toys, especially when we pretend to build and repair things. Remember, though, that real road work is a very important job, and it's only for trained workers and grown-ups who know how to use big machines safely. Our toy vehicles are just for learning and play, so never try to fix a real road on your own. Working with construction vehicles is a great way to learn about teamwork, problem solving, and how things work. Each vehicle has its own special job. The dump truck carries and delivers materials. The road roller makes everything smooth. And together, they help keep roads safe for everyone. Maybe next time, we'll fix a bridge, build a tunnel, or create a parking lot for our toy cars. The possibilities are endless when you use your imagination. If you had fun today, don't forget to tap like and subscribe to And Funny, so you'll never miss another adventure. We love making construction videos with all our toy vehicles, and we hope you enjoy watching them as much as we enjoy making them. Whether we're fixing roads, building houses, or exploring new places, there's always something new to learn and discover. Playing with toys helps you understand the world around you, and every day can be an adventure. Thank you for joining us on this road repair journey. Remember, if you see a broken road in real life, tell a grown-up or a trained worker, and never try to fix it yourself. Safety always comes first. But when you're playing with toys, you can create your own construction crew and fix anything you imagine. You can use sand, slime, blocks, or even play dough to fill in holes and build new roads. It's a wonderful way to use your creativity and have lots of fun. So, friends, keep exploring, Keep building and keep imagining new adventures with your toys. Every day is a chance to learn something new and make the world a little bit brighter. We're so glad you joined us today, and we can't wait to see you again for more fun and exciting construction stories. Until next time, keep smiling and keep playing, because with a little teamwork and creativity, anything is possible. See you soon on And Funny.